Hello guys, welcome to the Revealers, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create your Naukri profile. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, in your browser you'll open naukri.com and this site will appear. Then after that click on register for free. Okay, when you'll click here, this pop-up window will appear. Then you need to select whether you are an experienced or whether you are a fresher. And here it is mentioned that I have at least 1 month of work experience, and here I have just graduated and I haven't worked after graduation. So I am an experienced, so I'll click here, I am experienced. Okay, so we'll start filling the details here. I'll write my full name, Arvel Sheikh. Okay, then I'll mention here my email ID, rvezshik@gmail.com. Okay, then I'll create my password. Okay, so okay, after that the phone number where the recruiter will contact you. Okay, so I'll write here my phone number. Okay, after that I'll here select the amount of works experience I have. Okay, I'll write here 1. Then in months I'll select here. Then I'll upload my resume. Guys, please make sure you make your resume first. If you have not made your resume, please check on the link below in the description box how to make a resume. I've created a video on that also. Okay, so I'll click on my resume. Then I'll select OK. So once the resume has been uploaded, you'll take here I agreed the terms and conditions. Then you can register for the Naukri portal. So if you're a fresher, you will not get this window. If you're an experienced, you'll get this window. Okay, so you'll write here your current designation. Okay, I'll write here my designation, human resources coordinator. Coordinator. Okay, the company where I was working, I'll write here ABC company. Okay, then I'll type here my salary in INR. Okay, I'll select here. This is just to give an example. Okay, I'll write here 3.5. Okay, so now next is when you have started working here. Okay, so I'll write here 2018. Then I'll select the month, February to present. Okay, then the next thing is the location when which you want to be employed. Okay, I'll write here Mumbai suburban. Okay, so duration of notice period you need to add here. So some companies have 1 month of notice period, some company have 2 months of notice period, and there are companies which also have more than 3 months of notice period. So my company has 1 month of notice period. Okay, then skills. This is the very important part. Make sure you write your proper skills which you know. Okay, so this will appear directly on your Naukri profile when you will go and access it. Or the recruiter will search you. Okay, they'll see your skills. What are your expertise. Okay, so type here your skills accordingly. Okay, I'll write here resource management, HR, generalist. Okay, etc. Recruitment. Then this is my HR coordinator. Okay, so like that you can add your skills. Okay, make sure you add all of your skills, do not miss on anything. Okay, training also I can add. Okay, selection. Okay, so after this you need to start with your industry. Okay, so which industry you want to be employed. Okay, so there are many industries here, so like accounting, finance, advertising, agriculture, animation. So I'll select mine. Okay, so I'll select human resource. Where it is it there or not? No, it's not there. So I'll select anything from here. I select banking. Okay, then the function area in which you want to be employed. So function area is basically, for example, I wanted to work in HDFC Bank. Okay, so I've written here banking industry. In which area in that bank? Okay, function area is in which department you want to work. Example, finance, HR, operations, marketing, sales, etc. So I'll write here human resource, HR. Okay, then you can also add your role. You can in which you wanted to work. Okay, HR, I can write HR executive. Okay, so I'll click. After everything is done, make sure you check again once. Okay, everything is correct, then you can click on continue. So after the employment thing, here comes your education part. So education part, I'll write my masters, then my course. I'll type MBA. Is it coming? No. MBA. Okay, specialization. Then I'll select my specialization as HR. University is Mumbai. Course time is full time. Okay. People who are doing correspondence can write here correspondence or part time. Okay. Passing year you need to select. Okay. I'll select here 2019. No, not 2019. I'll write here 2018. Okay. 2018. So once you're done with this highest qualification, you can write your previous qualification before your masters. Okay, so I'll write here, type here graduation, then the course. Okay, BMS. Specialization is HR. I'll write, there is no HR, so I'll write here other. Okay, specify human resource. Okay, then I'll type my university name again, Mumbai University. Course full time, passing year is 2015. Continue. So I think this is the final step. So here it is written, describe your professional background in one line. Okay, so I can write here. So they have already done it for me. Okay, so you can also type here like this: human resource coordinator with MBA in HR, currently living in Mumbai suburbs. Now I wanted to edit it. Okay, so professional, experienced and in generalist activities in the banking industry. Okay, so in this way you can write about yourself. Human resource professional with, I'll write a with 2 years of experience in generalist activities in banking industry. Okay, so this way you can type your professional background. Okay, after that you'll, it is written here preferred work location, up select up to 3 locations. So in case I need to relocate, I can relocate to Hyderabad or Bangalore. Okay, after that desired job type. I'll select a permanent because I want to work as a permanent employee. Okay, so desired employment type full time, not part time. Okay, if you want to work as a part time, you can you click your part time. Okay, then IT skills. If you have any skills of MS Word or Excel or any Outlook, MS Outlook. Okay, so you can write your MS Excel version 2016. Last used is 2019. Okay, so like this, you can add more skills if you want to. Okay, select your gender, male, submit. Okay, once this is done, so your Naukri profile is created. Okay, so here is a pop-up. Get a Naukri featured profile and increase your visibility to up to 3 times. So I'm not interested in this. This is a paid membership basically. I'll skip and continue. Okay, so guys, how to make your Naukri profile. Okay, so if you have any query, please drop in the comment section. I'll definitely answer your query. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I'll be back with the next video. Thank you very much.